In today's video, I am going to show you how to take these 3 pieces of cord and turn them into a Christmas tree Christmas ornament. You will begin with a piece of twine. Mine is cut 6 inches, but you can make this as long as you want, depending on how long you want your ornaments to hang. Grab it like this and tie a basic knot at the top. So it will look like this. I'm placing mine on my S-hook. Next, I will take this brown piece of braided cord that I cut 16 inches and I will attach it to the twine using a lark's head knot. Simply place it over, open it, and pull the 2 through the center and then tighten it. Looks like that. Now I am going to use my red cord that I cut 70 inches and I am going to begin the tree. So you're going to want it to be centered, so the bottom 2 should be even. To make a square knot, we will place the red cord behind the 2 brown cords. I am going to cross over the one on the left. I'm going to take the one on the right, place it over the one that I crossed over the center. Once it looks like that, I will send it to the back so it goes behind all of these, and then I'm going to pull it through from my left. Tighten it, and you want to bring it all the way up to the top. Now I am going to take my cord on the right, I am going to cross it over the 2 center. I'm going to take my cord on the left, place it over that cord that I just placed from the right, send it behind, and then pull it through to the right. Tighten it. Now we're going to repeat this process, but we're going to leave gaps in between, and each gap will be a little larger, and that's how we're going to form our Christmas tree. So again, we're going to go over, send this one behind, tighten, cross the one on the right over, send this one behind, pull through, tighten. You may have to adjust them a little bit, and you can actually push these up as you go, but I like to do it last so that I can see how much space I have in between. So now we're going to do the same thing again, but we're going to make our gap a little larger. Doesn't have to be perfect, but you can see that it is a little larger than the one above, and then we're going to repeat this again. And I'm going to do one more at the very bottom. This should leave a gap big enough, because we just want it to be a little bit bigger than this one. So once I have this one here, it's time to push them all up. So you are going to grab your center cords, you're going to place your finger here, and you're just literally going to push up. Okay, now it looks like that, and just adjust them a little bit. We're not done, we're going to add a couple more. So we're going to repeat this process again, but we needed that larger space so that we can add larger parts for the bottom. And when I get to this point, I do like to push them up as I go so that I can make sure that they are bigger before I keep going too far. So I can see that one's perfect. And then let's do another one. This is probably going to be my last one. Yep, that turned out great. So I'm happy with the size and the spacing, and this is how much I have left, so you can make your cord a little shorter if you want. Again, I cut mine 70 inches, but I would rather have too much than not enough. And then at this point, you can add a gathering knot right here, you can put a bead, you can add a bow, whatever you want. I'm going to keep this pretty simple, and I'm going to just trim and then trim trim, and I think this looks adorable. And that is it. That is how you make a cute little Christmas tree ornament, and you can make this a little bigger and even hang it over your door. If you have any questions, just drop them in the comments below, and thanks for watching.